Inside the human body lies a vast universe of cells, mapping out the very fabric of life, from the intricate networks of the brain to the silent rhythms of our organs.
Entering the nucleus, the master molecule of life appears. It rotates slowly in a brilliant blue glow. Vital proteins interact with the code, directing all cellular life.
Inside a healthy cell, life's master blueprint, DNA, duplicates with perfect precision. The cell divides, creating two identical daughters.
Tumor cells can break away. They enter the bloodstream to travel, spreading to distant organs. Cancer cells can break away from the primary tumor, traveling through the blood to reach distant organs. There, they seed and form secondary tumors. This process is known as metastasis. At the cellular level, cancer can spread undetected. But pinpoint precision changes everything.